Hi, madam, and hi, everyone. My name is Divashini Kumar. I'm here to present the individual task of a course fundamental of hospitality and management. The presentation topic for today is the impact of coronavirus pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019. COVID-19 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern in January 2020 and a pandemic in March 2020. The government taking an action to control the spreading of the coronavirus by setting the MCO, which is lockdown all over the world. The MCO period was started in the March 2020. The MCO period was extended almost 3 months and above. The pandemic gave a huge bad impact to the world. Most of the sectors was affected by the pandemic of COVID-19 globally. Most of the people lost their job and facing financial problem, and the government facing downfall in the economic level. And the government also provided many ways to support the nations in the country to overcome the coronavirus pandemic. Moreover, the global hospitality sector was downfall by the COVID-19 pandemic. This is because the coronavirus will spread rapidly and spread fastly among 1 to 1%. So the government of the nation that has decided that no countries can cross the border and having a international travel. So the government has setting the travel restriction. That most outbreak issues is the travel restriction. Nobody can do international travel in the pandemic, and the income sources from the travel and tourism management was affected. This is because a country source is most importantly coming from the tourism and the travel industry sectors. But when it's because of the coronavirus pandemic, the income was affected and nobody can be travel, and having a the tourists cannot enter to any country and cross the borders. The government setting the rules that nobody can cross the border of their each countries. It's a huge impact for the tourism industry. To recover the downfall in financially, the WTTC has decided to restart the international travel and gain back their financial sources. The WTTC has restarted the international travel by setting up 4 rules